sure you subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. So in the last cleaning video, it was after cleaning, type of thing. What do I do? Like me organizing and arranging. But today's video is basically about me the cleaning. So last time you saw me that I put things outside. This time I didn't put them outside, I just arranged them somehow. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and watch it to the end, because we need them. What do we need? Watch hours. Yeah, so thank you so much. And of course you'll see me singing. Oh my god, I was just craving for worship, you guys. And what your heart craves for, you give to it. So you'll see me singing. It's mostly worship, so it's like, slow. Yeah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Hey, now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you check out the other after cleaning video in the description box, because I have linked it there for you in case you didn't watch it. So yeah, And you can come and support your girl's business if you have a health problem and you want a solution, a health natural remedy, or you just need personal care products like soap, tooth gel, aftershave, deodorant. I have them. Okay, so check out my Instagram page, ladyboss_allo. All my pages are linked down in the description box. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, subscribe, 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 subscribe.